Hello everyone, my name is Gnanaraju. I am a certified nutrition fitness and wellness coach, and I'm also into Herbalife Nutrition. I am a 20K senior executive president member working for last 18 years, and I am 51 years, and I am very happy to present this video call, which is a wise investment on insurance or on wellness. So very interesting conversation, very interesting discussion we are going to make today. So let me present this presentation by showing my presentation slides. Let me show you. That will give you a lot of opening, eye opening for kind of thing for you. So a lot of people always ask me, sir, which is the best investment? So is it investing on insurance or investing on wellness? So that's the reason why I come out of this video. This video will be great help for you if you really understand why we wanted to present this. So many people they say, no, I am already investing a lot of money on insurance. I have insurance policies. So why should I, spend money on the prevention? Invest on money on the prevention. As such, we are getting money once you die, no. So before sharing these are my own personal views, nothing to do with the company. Okay, this is a disclaimer. And I worked as a district registrar before in Group 1 services of Andhra Pradesh government for 10 years. Then I quit my job, and before coming to Herbalife, I also worked as a worked in LIC, also in Life Insurance Corporation. So I know both the things. Then afterwards, I resigned my job and I came to this. So you can see me there with tummy. So that time I was stressed out, and morning I go and come back by night. I also worked as a district registrar in Khammam and Nalgonda and Vijayawada, certain districts. Then I have my own busy schedule, and all the time with stress, and I have my belt attenders and government car and all that. So, but unfortunately, what I don't have is peace of mind, and I used to drink a lot of tea, coffees, and I don't have a healthy lifestyle. After coming to Herbalife Nutrition, I lost myself. You can see I lost 12 kilos in 2.5 months. I'm looking better and healthier, younger, and my wife also lost amazing weight. You can see her, and we became now wellness coaches, and we are into for the company for last 18 years. We not only try it on ourselves, but also we recommend. We help many people to lose weight and improve their health, and also through nutrition, impart the nutrition education, and also we give a lot of service to the people, right, in terms of health and wellness. So my children also grown taller. You can see them. My wife and we both lost weight. They grown taller. You can see the my son is so high, taller. So my wife lost weight, and she's now 43 years. And I also run 40 kilometers, 21 kilometers, half marathon. I also do cycling for 40 kilometers. I'm a triathlete, and my wife also into fitness and nutrition. So I'm a certified nutrition fitness consultant, certified sports nutrition consultant, certified exercise science specialist, certified also into by American Society of Nutrition, marathon runner and cyclist, and CPR AD certified Zumba and strong by Zumba instructor, right? So I'm also into wellness coach. So where is the, let me come to the main topic called ideal investment on life insurance or on wellness. So what covers actually what is wellness? Many people, they don't know what exactly this wellness health includes. So looking good, simply put, looking good, feel good, enjoying every moment is called wellness. Mummy, I'm not feeling well. Daddy, I'm feeling well. Feeling well, not well. That's a big industry now, wellness industry. Healthy, physically fit, enjoying every moment of life with bubbling with energy. This all comes under wellness. So eating, buying healthy foods like nice exotic fruits and vegetables. This all comes under wellness. Fitness and gyms and workouts and fitness trainers all comes under wellness. Wellness and health education services. So we educate, we do a lot of education, that you have to buy that education service. You have to take the help of coaches, correct? Weight loss and weight gain, increasing muscle and bone density, healthy aging, all this comes under wellness. And joining fee of wellness clubs, wellness coaches, etc., massages, relaxation equipment, relaxation clubs, fun clubs, breaking routine, and allocating time for family and friends, buying nutrition supplements, nutrition services, healthy recipes. Okay, so in the TV they show the healthy, they show recipes but not healthy. They only show so taste wise, but not in terms of nutrition and calories and protein. How much is that? So they don't give you all that. So buying health equipment like fit bands and body fat scanners, BP machines, weighing scales, etc. So many people don't spend any money at all, thinking that is waste, useless. But this is actually comes under health only, right? So prevention, living longer, taking advices, all this comes under wellness industry. So now where you are spending. So let me explain you what is suppose you spend 5 lakhs for life insurance policy. I'm not telling it is bad. I'm not telling that way. I'm telling it's not a question of bad or good. It's question of how much can be done, right? Suppose you spend 1,000 rupees in a month. Okay. So in the 1,000 rupees, where do you spend? 80% where? At least maximum where do you spend? 80% on the prevention or the reactive, proactive or reactive. Let us see what is life insurance, what is wellness investment. Enjoy benefit only after the person dies. So you get that benefit of your investment paying in insurance policy, life insurance policy comes only once you die. After your death the benefit will come. Whereas if for wellness you enjoy the benefit every day before the person dies. So think about it. Is partly life insurance, investing money in life insurance partly reactive. I'm not saying it's bad. I'm telling it's a reactive, partly reactive. Means you are waiting, for something to happen. Whereas proactive, investing on wellness is proactive before the things happen. Benefit, in insurance policies, benefit goes not to you, but your to loved ones, which is fine. So means once you die, so it will go to your wife or your husband or your, friend or brother or whomever you nominate. Now here, whereas wellness benefit goes to you directly. It is super fine. So I'm not telling life insurance, policy is waste. No, no, no. I'm not telling that. You spend money, it is fine, but it's wellness spending is super fine. Na? You are enjoying every day, every moment. So that once you are happy, you spend money for, you earn money also for your breadwinner, like your family, children, and all that. And so once you spend some money on life insurance policy, that will not help you to extend your life. Whereas what you spend on wellness, it will help you to extend your life, correct? So another point is, so yes, life insurance is required in exigencies. Like you don't have all the control in life. God has the control. So in exigencies, yes, we require certain kind of insurance. But ultimately 80% is required for, according to us, is wellness investment. You cannot help in even how much our exercise. If God wants to take your life, so that we are, nobody has any control. So that is the reason I required life insurance policies. I'm not telling not required, but what is required mostly is, that is okay, it's fine, but super fine is insurance. So 20% on life insurance, okay, but 80% on the wellness investment. But unfortunately people don't allocate any money at all. So now, unfortunately, people don't invest. Even companies also don't invest for on their employees. See, governments also, they don't invest on employees. So when I am resigning my job, my people, they said, don't resign job. Why? I said, you'll get a pension. So pension for what? That money will be helpful for your medical bills. You also get some money on the medical. Means if anything happens, the hospital bills will be paid by the company or the government. So that's how they think. That's all old mindset, right? So now, if I have more money, why should I depend on a company when I'm enjoying every moment? Yes, I can earn even more money now. So that's very important. So investing on prevention mindset, or investing with the cure mindset. So most of the people have the cure mindset. Cure means when the problem comes, I'll go to doctor. That's a cure mindset. When a problem comes, I go to hospital. That's a cure mindset. But what is prevention mindset is, why to wait for the disease to come? I'll try to be healthy and younger, and I'll try to eat good fruits, and that's how it will be. So now the mindset actually matters. Life insurance is similar to cure mindset. Okay, similar to the cure mindset, whereas spending on wellness is similar to prevention mindset. So think about it. Is there any it is there in our genes historically from years. For example, from historically, we always think, when the problem comes, when we become sick, we go to hospital, we go to doctor. So whereas in wellness is a progressive modern thinking, people are now opening their eyes. So always people say, prevention is always better than cure. So now there people are weighing the options of prevention. So like we go to a doctor only when we are sick. Educated people nowadays are realizing the need of spending money on prevention of disease and keeping the body as a temple. The new concept is coming, like Jim Brown, our mentor says, treat your body like a temple, okay? Not like a woodshed. not like a dustbin, correct? So we have to keep, like, we shouldn't be overweight, we should not be obese, we should not be underweight, we should be perfect, and in terms of health and energy and sleep and everything, correct? So previously there is no concept like allocating money for health and the risks of disease prevention. Previously that concept itself is not so much in vogue. So that's the reason why many don't allocate money at all for wellness, because that concept itself is not known and not is the not is in not many companies promote it. The nutrition supplements is not available those days. Okay, even if they allocate, most of the people mean investing their 100% money on health, on insurance, or for hospital bills, either this or this. So people, they in villages are still, some people are in ignorant. They only spend money for hospital. Health means hospital, or for doctor, or for life insurance policies. So this is what many people think, that is only health investment. So allocating money for health should be, whereas recent, modern thinking people, they say allocate money for health should be 80% on prevention and 20% on diseases, right? So that is all, progressive mindset. Most of the money will be on prevention rather than waiting for the disease to come. When you attack, then you don't get, you don't require to worry about the defeat. So once you are in attacking mindset, okay, proactive mindset. So now, unfortunately, when we go to many people, they say, sir, our company will take care, sir. Our government will take care. Sir, what government will take? What company takes care? They only take you to the hospital, admit you in a hospital, they pay for the hospital bills, but not for your wellness. So understand, many people are, they're still in the old mindset. So I think about me. Government pays me that, salary. That salary will be not be sufficient for me. So I go in the come morning and come back by night. I have hardly, any time for exercise. I drink a lot of 10 to 15 times of tea, coffee, and eat biryani, eat all that, junk food available. It's like, I don't have so much of thinking also, that I have to allocate certain money and think for nutrition, exercise, and all this. You know, that comes with the age, also comes with certain kind of background. Not for all, most of the people, they don't spend money at all, including myself, right? That was my situation. So there I lost weight, and after coming to this company, understood the need of wellness coaching, understood the need of prevention. So my wife understood, which we now we're teaching to our children. Now we can see the transformation. 20 years I'm looking much younger here, whereas here my age is 20, age was 27. Here my age is 47, whereas my wife previously was 22 years left side, now she is 42. You can see the transformation, just 20 years, how much younger looking. See the transformation in terms of health and looking good and feel good. You can see the transition here. Here left side, our picture, her age was about 23 years, now she is 43 years. In 20 years, see the transformation. We can see the transformation, how greatly, the look is coming here. After gaining weight and using our nutrition supplements, we can see the transformation. Now this money, otherwise people don't spend. They think this is useless, waste of money. Many people have this, but what if they overcome this weight and they improve their health? Every day they will enjoy, every day they look good, feel good, and they actually, their sleep will be better, and they look good, and that consciousness will be, happiness will be. They can wear better clothes, and they can look good. Actually, they get a lot of compliments, they feel energy, and they can come out of many difficult kind of, medications like type 2 diabetes, cholesterol, heart problem. Though we don't give any medical claim, but indirectly that weight loss and right nutrition will help a lot, including healthy lifestyle improvement. So this is what I'm telling, many people are realizing now. So that is what we do. Is coach is important, product right usage is important, healthy community is also equally important, right nutrition supplements also equally important for you, a daily education topic all important. So these all we provided. So we conduct also 21-day weight loss challenge, body transformation challenge. We also conduct different kind of workouts like body weight workouts, cardio, HIIT, yoga and Pilates and arm stoning, core stretches, dance workouts, Bollywood and Tollywood and Zumba, dance kind of workouts, partner workouts, upper body, lower body workouts. And also we educate, every day one topic for children, for teenagers, for adults, in terms of obesity and diet and good fat and calories and wealthy dining tips, and how to, eat when you go out. So recipes, all that we teach. And we also take a lot of pictures, and we keep track of the measurements. We track and scan and taking measurements. All this comes under wellness, right? So this actually many people are not realizing it. Some people say, why this unnecessarily? We'll naturally, if you eat food, it will come, no? So unfortunately, many official surveys say that our food is not richly with nutrition. How much our quality our ancestors used to eat, that kind of quality is not there. So we conduct all these fun workouts and workout challenges. Also, we engage them with the dance kind of workouts every day, enjoying fun in follow-up, and we do take care of the follow-up and customer care. We also personalize the programs according to his lifestyle. So we also give tasty shakes, and we recognize the people on the walls, and so recognize in front of many people. And also we sell the nutrition supplements, and we also do a lot of surveys for conducting weight loss challenges, educating them. So now you tell me, so where are you spending? Are you spending at all any money on the health? So this is my question. Second is, how much there is the ratio between insurance and on the prevention, wellness, and how much are you spending? So after viewing this video, I'm sure definitely you will be, in different kind of thinking. So about myself, I already explained about myself. I'm a certified nutrition fitness consultant into a lot of certifications and marathon running and cyclist and Zumba, all that. So to reach me, these are my phone numbers, and the numbers are already given. So you can contact us, and through Instagram, Facebook, website, YouTube, and lot of things are there. Email is there. You can message us, call us. Thank you so much for your attention. I really want to thank you. If you like this video, please do subscribe and like it and forward to many people. This also will be eye opener to many people. Okay, so thank you so much for joining. If you already have a coach, wellness coach, please talk to him. If you don't have, please talk to me. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.